Hi guys, how are you? This is IsTech channel, A to Z of programming languages. In this tutorial, you will learn about control statements in Java, their syntax and how to use them with the help of examples. Don't forget that subscribe my channel, like the video and share it. Let's go. Control statement. Java compiler executes the code from top to bottom. The statements in the code are executed according to the order in which they appear. However, Java provides statements that can be used to control the flow of Java code. Such statements are called control flow statements. It is one of the fundamental features of Java, which provides a smooth flow of program. These statements allow you to control the flow of your program's execution based upon conditions known only during runtime. Selection statements. As we know, a program consists of a list of instructions, control structures or programming blocks that can change the path we take through those instructions or not. Selection statements allow your program to choose different paths of execution based upon the outcome of an expression or the state of a variable. Java supports two selection statements, if and switch. If statements. The Java if statement is used to test the condition. It checks Boolean condition, true or false. The if works like this. If the condition is true, then statement 1 is executed. Otherwise, statement 2, if it existed, is executed. In no case will both statements be executed. Nested if. The if statement are executed from the top down as soon as one of the condition controlling. The if is true, that statement associated with that if is executed, and the rest of the letter is bypassed. If none of the condition is true, then the final else statement will be executed. The final else acts as a default condition, that is, if all other condition tests fail, then the last else statement is performed. If there is no final else and all other conditions are false, then no action will take place. If else if. The if statements are executed from the top down. As soon as one of the conditions controlling the if is true, the statement associated with that if is executed, and the rest of the letter is bypassed. If none of the condition is true, then the final else statement will be executed. The final else acts as a default condition. That is, if all other condition tests fail, then the last else statement is performed. If there is no final else and all other conditions are false, then no action will take place. Switch. The expression must be of type byte, chart, int, or char. Each of the values specified in the case statement must be of a type compatible with the expression. Case value must be a unique literal. The switch statement works like this. The value of the expression is compared with each of the literal values in the case statements. If a match is found, the code sequence following that case statement is executed. If none of the contents match the value of the expression, then the default statement is executed. However, the default statement is optional. If no case matches and no default is present, then no further action is taken. The break statement is used inside the switch to terminate a statement sequence. So here is an example that write a program that give one number from user and then check that the number is odd or even. Okay, let's do it together. At the first, I need a text editor. I use Notepad++. So at the top of each program, we should have a class. I create a class with the name of odd. So you should save the class as the same of the name of the class. I mean odd.java. If you want to run your program or your application, you should have a main method, okay? Public static void the main and the string array, the body of the main method. And for giving an input from the user, we should have a scanner class. At the top, we should import it, import from java.util.scanner. Next, we should create an object of that scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. So for saving the number, I need an integer. I get the value, I mean number equal to sc.nextInt, and here we should have if, okay, and just copy the code and continue. I need if statement, okay. So let's compile it and run it, okay. Java C odd.java, and let's run it, okay. Java odd. Here we have another example. Write a program that gets two numbers from the user that check which number is smaller. So let's do it together. I create a new class with the name of checking number, okay, the body of the class, save it. So at the top we should have the main method, public static void main string array, and the body of the main method. Again, we need a scanner class, okay. We should import it at the top, import from java.util.scanner. Next, we should have an object of that. I mean scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. We should have two integer, okay. One of them is number 1 and the other one is number 2. And do it. Copy the code. So here we should have our condition, okay. Just copy the code and continue.
So let's compile it. Java C check numbers.java. Oh shit, we have a problem with the system.out.println. Oh, let's check it. Yes, here is the problem. Let's compile it again and run it. You can see the output of your program. So here we have another example. Write a program that gives the number from the user and return the amount of the number. Okay, let's do it. It's easy. I create a new class and save it. At the top of each class we have main method, public static void main string array, and we need a scanner class. At the top we should import it from java.util.scanner. Next we should create the object of that. I mean scanner c equals to new scanner system.in. I need an integer, so copy the following code. So here is our condition. I use switch with the expression of mount, and this switch has 12 cases. After each case we should have our statement and break statement. Okay, and switch has the default statement. It's optional to use. So copy the codes and let's compile it so there is no errors, and run it. You can see the result of your program. Okay, so it was your lesson for today. It's our plugin that first learn and then delete the L from the learn, I mean earn. So guys, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, and share it.